Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to do a quick update video on the BMW build. So it's been about 2 weeks now since I finished putting the motor together and got it dropped in the car and got it running. So everything so far has been great. I've got new tires I just put on yesterday. The ones that were on there were really bad, and I just replaced the rear brakes and the rear brake sensor. I got the front cleaned up. I got all that crap taken off the lights and they look really good. They're still like a little cracked. If you get too close, you can kind of see a little bit of that cracking on there, which is just from being old. I might try to clean them up a little bit more or just get some new ones eventually. I did get the bumper finished, and we got all the trim pieces on as well. So car's looking really good. I've been daily driving it. I just did my 500-mile oil change, and like I said, I haven't had a single issue with the car. No misfires or anything, and I've been kind of babying it. I've gotten on it a few times just to see what she can do. I think from what I could tell, it has a base tune, so like a stage 1 tune from boot mode, and it has like the burble thing on it as well, the aggressive burble with the stage 1. It's kind of slow after you get off the line. It takes off pretty good, has really good acceleration, but once you get up into like 3,000–4,000 RPM, the power really drops off. So my guess is it only has the stage 1 tune on it. I do have an account that I set up to try to reflash it and get the stage 2 with the E85 tune, but there was a problem with my account or something, so I'm waiting for those guys to fix it. I'll do a video on flashing and getting everything tuned and everything. I did a little bit of cleaning in here as well. The car was disgusting. I just did a little quick detail, got everything all cleaned up, so she's looking really good. I just reset the brake light and the tire pressure sensors since I just got those tires put on. So yeah, there's no issues, everything's perfect on the car. We still have fog light malfunction. That's because I have the wrong fog lights in there. They work, but they don't have the right resistance, so the car thinks they're not working. We do still have a check engine light on from the thermostat. Right now it is currently wide open, so it doesn't really matter. It's just keeping the car cooler than it should be, which isn't a problem. We do get up to oil temp after driving for a little bit, so everything's fine with that. Eventually I'll switch it out. I just haven't had time. I just had probably about an hour today while I was, before I head off somewhere. But yeah, overall, I'm super happy with the car. The build has been great so far. Engine's been running really strong. I can't wait to get a good tune on it so I can see what this thing can do. And then, like I said, eventually we're going to be getting turbo injectors, all that kind of stuff, to see if we can push some real power in this thing. So yeah, here it is. It's in pretty good shape still. I do still have to get the stupid black stuff off of the tail light and the door handles. Like I said, I just really haven't had a ton of time to do that. And then we also need to get the front bumper finished painting and the little washers put back in. But yeah, that's a quick update on the car. Like I said, I've been driving it about 2 weeks every day. It's been a daily driver. I've put about 600-ish miles on it, and just got a new fresh oil change. Oil looked great. No metal, anything, no swirls, nothing. Perfectly clean. There was a little bit of debris in the filter, but it was just from the old crap that was maybe in the head or something. It was just a little bit of like chunky, gritty stuff, but it was old oil chunks. But yeah, oil looked really good, super clean when it came out. Yeah, so that's gonna probably do it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick update, let everybody know that it hasn't blown up or anything yet, and it's running really strong. I'm about to take it on a 300-mile trip, so that's why I wanted to do the oil change and get the tires and the brakes and everything before I head out. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, whatever you guys do. And if you haven't seen the whole build series on this BMW, you should go back and check it out. Some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, we have a lot of plans still for this in the future. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.